So it's the way it's woven, it's a different technique. So they're made on a different type of loom than the mass-produced stuff. I think it goes in stages, doesn't it? You know, people, you know, go for the mass-produced stuff and then they go back to caring about. Nowadays, everyone's more about, you know, how long something lasts. So the salvage denim, it does last longer than the high street denim. And the thing is with jeans, especially with salvage denim, is they're so stiff when they're new. Is that when you do eventually break them in, and they soften up to you, so it sort of tells its own little story. So with the chain stitching, it's just a method how with salvage denim specifically, they finish the jeans off. It sort of twists it slightly the way it does it. So when they're worn out a bit, you get something called roping. You get a roping effect. And with a lot of lads, they like to wear them with a turn up or they roll the hem up. And then, especially if you wear it with a turn up, they like to show the chain stitching because then it's all authentic, it's all original, it looks all as salvage denim should look. Pretty much there's just me in the UK who's got the chain stitch machine. I'm pretty much the only one who you can just send your jeans into if you want it chain stitched, or if you want to taper it, I can do that as well, and then put the chain stitching back and that type of thing. So I'm pretty unique. I've gone to a bit more trouble than a lot of tailors would do in sort of like working out the methods behind how to keep and retain stuff. I go to more trouble, you know what I mean, rather than being a quick thing. I'd rather take a bit longer about the job and do it right, and then it doesn't look all stuff. I mean, I've had jeans from New York, San Francisco, and Dubai, from Qatar, from Greece. There's a guy in Cyprus who sends quite a lot of stuff. Got like in Belgium who sends quite a few salvage denim in. From all over Europe and the world really, I've had quite a few different places. It's a niche, it's like with cars or anything, there's always them like niche sort of people who are really into it. Because when you tell some people, like when I tell friends and family, like, oh right, like, why don't you buy a new pair? They don't get it. If you spend 300 quid on a pair of jeans, you know, or they're your favourite pair, people don't get it, you know what I mean? Yeah, they just buy a new pair.